Chong's gonna think I'm the biggest liar ever. It's probably about maybe 1:15-ish, and guess what? I'm out on a bike ride. I told Peter I wasn't riding today. Let me tell you what happened. I'll make this really quick. See, I had texted Tony this morning at about 10 o'clock, and I said, hey, Tony, what are your thoughts? We got a couple of different ride options. I don't hear back from Tony. So you know what? By 11:15, I moved on to plan B, which was to stay home and do all the home stuff that I needed to get done. 11:30, Tony texted me saying, I'm dressed. What? What do you mean you're dressed? I'm getting ready to make an egg white omelet with mushrooms, cheese, spinach, and have an English muffin. So anyways, we talked, and I said, okay, well, maybe we can meet at 1 o'clock and we can do a quick ride. So we're out today probably for about maybe 20-25 miles. Not with the Sunday Funday people, but we are riding, so we are with you in spirit. All right, now, we'll be back. Tony, the guy that, wouldn't respond to my text message this morning, this is him. Say hello, Tony.
Hey, how you doing, Peter? It's my fault, my bad.
Now, well, not really. We won't blame Tony today. Anyways, we got to give a shout out to Zion. Zion was also thinking about riding today, remember?
Yeah.
Yes, he was also thinking about riding today, so a shout out to Zion.
All right.
Maybe we'll get another ride in. I know I told you guys last week I wouldn't ride again until 2016, but well, we'll see what happens, okay? We're going to take it 1 week at a time.
Weather's too good.
All right, now. Have a great ride.
Bye.